When your brown son tells you over dinner he thinks he's ugly. When you stutter on your own memories. When you reach for him, a table and a canyon away. His hair in your hands, 1,000 falling stars, each one a wish that has already passed. How can you describe grace to a 7-year-old being raised in a broken funhouse? Mirrors so curved your face becomes dusk. Walls made of elbows. Doors made of fists. When you walk into an uppercut and say you're sorry. Why believe me, a woman with quilted skin, a mother with a leaking heart, rising tides on my breath when I say you are so beautiful, nothing can sink you. When I kiss you like a paper cut, like a king of spades, like a bird born from my sleeve. When I hold you like the greatest bomb I ever made. Delicate and reckless and exquisite. So handsome every morning you burst. So fine, our demons die just looking at you. You, the color of a good luck penny. You, the color of harvest. You, the color of a plot twist. The color of anthems. You, the color of flight. Ain't a ray of sun in the new world that won't want to shine on your face.